Well, electricity and digital are very, very important in this energy transition because we believe they are the fastest and the most efficient paths to a sustainable and resilient world, which at Schneider we call Electricity 4.0, powering the new electric world. If we look at the past, we've been living in what we call the age of fire, which was driven by fossil fuel, which all came with a big cost, which is now what we see with climate change, and the absolute must now to act to reduce our carbon emission drastically. When we talk about carbon emission, 80% of these emissions are linked with the consumption or the production of energy out of a system which is today 60% inefficient. So in front of this, which is a bit of a scaring picture, there is one good news, which is that solutions do exist, and they do rely on one, making the energy more electric, because that we believe it's the best way to decarbonization. A few examples: the use of heat pump is 3 to 5 times more efficient than gas boilers. The use on the supply side of more renewable can allow to drive green energy, which is extremely important. So that's what we call making the world more electric. And then on the making the world more digital, that's the condition one, to make energy visible. Second, to automate the different process of our customers, whether in building or industries and processes, to really cut by design carbon emissions. Well, we believe that theme is really important and really timely. Today, we all know that we have a big stake in front of us, which is to stay within the 1.5 or the 2 degree scenario, which is pretty demanding, because what's at stake today is to cut carbon emission by 2 by 2030 and become net zero by 2050. So in front of this, which is a very big task and a very big goal, there is one good news, which is solutions do exist with cost-effective and practical solution around making the world more electric and more digital. And the only question here is how to deploy those solutions that works at scale. And for this, it's not going to be a one company show or a one company task. It's going to be an ecosystem task between, of course, a company and the private sector, institutions, the society, to work together. And in that context, having the Singapore Energy Week is a fantastic forum to bring this community together to build a solution that will be deployed at scale.